Take a ride in the 2020 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.